Alright guys, welcome back. Mike Cosmic Creations. I want to go over a quick video. It might not be so quick, but I want to go over a few things. So these are the new lights that we've been talking about for the last couple weeks that we've been working on, and we've customized a bunch of things for these. You probably heard me say some of this before, but for the new guys, these strips will have 30% more LEDs per foot, per meter, per roll, however you want to phrase it. All right, so we're packing more LEDs in place. We've taken the LED down, the size down 30%. Okay, we're still achieving the same level of brightness per pixel because we're using the same LED drivers. However, because we're using more LEDs, your power consumption is a little bit more also. So it's one thing to keep in mind of when you are looking at your overall amp draw. The thickness of the strip, or the width rather, we go down from a 10 millimeter down to a 7.5 to 8 millimeter. Okay, so about almost a 30% reduction in width. We're packing on 30% more LEDs, and then we're doing a 30% smaller chip. Okay, still get the same level of brightness. Just as a comparison, this is what we typically use in a clear strip versus the new. So as you can see, a lot more LEDs per pixel, per, in my fingers right here, about 6 inches, you can see, there's a lot more LEDs. They're smaller, so they're less seen. You can still get these in the clear, and we also have them in your tinted or smoked. Okay, obviously, like I tell people, and a lot of people don't think about this, yeah, a lot of people like the smoked a little bit better because it hides the LEDs a little bit better, but your clear is going to be brighter. We have some comparisons on some other videos to show you the difference in brightness level between a blacked out chip or a blacked out strip like this versus one with clear versus one with a smoke or tinted glue or gel silicone on top, however you want to phrase it. Okay, all of these still use 3M VHB. If your strips don't look like this, you're getting cheated. All right. But for shits and giggles and all comparisons, you can see the differences. All right, a lot cleaner strip, a lot better looking strip, and we got away with the solder pads. So that's going to be a lot more tricky for you guys who want to copy, for you guys who want to solder, because we have these specifically made, so there's no copper strips that you can see. So good luck. Other than that, let me light them up for you, right? So we're sitting here talking. So I am really looking forward to getting a customer who wants 6 or 8 rows of these so we can fully deck out the entire width of a ring. This particular ring will hold 5, but we've got rings that will hold 8, and I can build anything bigger, just depending on how deep your pockets are in reality. We can stagger these. We can put them in alternating directions, which is really popular. And although I don't like to do it, we can put them all in the same direction as you see here. Okay. Guys, got any questions, hit me up, let me know. There'll be a link in the video description below to the website where you see prices and options. These are not on the website just yet. We are working on that. We've got some prices solidified that we can do distribution on to our customers, but I haven't had a chance to put them up on the website yet. I've got to get more pictures. I got to build some more web pages. It takes time, so guys, just bear with me. Anyway, if you're looking for something like this for your slingshot, let me know. I've already got 4 slingshots lined up that has committed to one of every kit that we've got. So that's your mega eyebrow kit, that's your hood kit, that is your mirror and side body kit, that is your interior kit, your rear exterior kit, your spring kit, and your wheel kit. So, and those are all top of the line kits. So I already got 4 guys ready to roll to get everything laid out on their slingshots. So if you're interested, let me know. We were doing a promo for those 4 guys, and basically they were at the same price as what our other strips were. So that was just so we can get some pictures of some Slingshots and some install videos and get all that set up to help everybody else out. But for the most part, we're not doing that promo right now because we've got enough people lined up who have committed to getting that done. But if you're interested, let me know. If you have an existing kit and you want to upgrade to these, let me know. I'll give you a good deal. However, be mindful that these lights are not in the same color sequence as these lights. Okay, so in other words, you hit red, you might get red here, you get green here. All right, so it's a different color sequence. RGB, BRG, GBR, so a different color sequence. Now there's ways around that we can do a color calibration per channel with our multi-zone controllers. So you can add to an existing setup, but understand it's going to cost a little bit more money because it's going to take a little bit more time and setup to get these set up for the existing strips that we do now. Okay. If you guys got any questions, hit me up, let me know. I appreciate all your support over the years, and we'll guys see you on the next video.